I know.
Look at the pellets.
Try that again. The last time we did this, Philip fell into the fish pond.
It's because
So yes,
they all want to eat the food.
they're hungry. Oh, nicely. Oh, look at that. Be careful. That's why I said be careful. He's out of water. Okay. I know.
Look, Daddy.
Look, Phil.
That's Daddy.
Here, let's try this. Like this.
That's Daddy. Make a mess.
I know.
Mess.
Here's Phil and Preston feeding the fish. And look, they're all coming now. They're all coming.
Oh, look.
Go, 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 go. Go feed them. Feed them. Fishy, swashy.
Here comes.
Good boy, swashy.
I'm gonna throw this all at once.
Go and chuck it all. Give Philip another pinch first.
Careful, okay?
Give Philip another pinch. Okay, and then you chuck the rest in. Go on, Phil. Good, go. 3, 2, 1, Phil. Good boy, Phil.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay.
throw the pillow, Daddy. Just watch.
Okay, go on.
Make a mess. Just keep.
Yeah. Here's the animal garden. Which is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, let's do it. Let's make our way down.
Here, fish and turtle.
This is the animal garden here. Check it out. Look.
Yeah. I wonder where you can get animals.
I see chickens, I see quails and turkeys.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, this is beautiful. Ducks and rabbits. Sorry. The fish, Phil. The turtles and the koi fish.
The turtles are moving.
Okay, let's come on in. Hello. Hello, how are you? Hello. Duck.
Yeah?
How are you guys? You good? You want to see my phone?
Yeah?
You're on Preston's World YouTube.
Quick water, Lily.
Philip was feeding the rabbit as well before. Phil, let's feed Mr. Rabbit, Phil. Here, hold this. Come on, let's take it to Mr. Rabbit over here.
Oh, there he is.
Mr. Rabbit's over there. Here a minute. Say hi, Mr. Rabbit. Good boy, Phil. Preston's very popular here. There you go, buddy. Well done.
I think this is the food for the
And then that's the food for the rabbits there. Where all the duckies are. I don't have any food in here, guys, but you can check it out if you want. It's so fun. This is beautiful. Look, there's otters and stuff swimming over there. Yeah. Lovely pigeons and chickens. All here. Awesome. And Mr. Rabbit there just relaxing. The cow and the goat house. We've just come from down there, down the hill. Yes, Phil, there's a cow and a goat. The cow. There's goats in here. One called Caramel and the other one is called Latte. And they're inside now, so they don't jump. You want to feed? Here. We can give. Kimmy and Kumi are our cows here. Press.
Okay, let's give this to Kimmy and Kumi. Mommy, the name of these are Kimmy and Kumi. This is a giant water.
Come and show us the map here.
Here's the map.
Okay. This place is
So
huge.
we are right here in this house.
I know, and there's all of this we haven't even seen.
Yeah.
This place is really massive.
Yes.
Okay? So much to see and do
we're
here.
stuck in the nature.
We're not stuck here. This is where we choose to be, buddy. Okay?
So I think plantation. Here.
We're here. Look at this. There's some curry leaves here, horseradish, all of these different plants that we can use. Yeah. It's beautiful. What a nice day. And look They even have a natural fly trap here as well. Lemon balm. Beautiful. Sure. So you can do tours in this hotel, an agroforestry tour, and the guide will explain all of these different plants. There's so much here. Marigold. Oh, gorgeous. And there's our hotel right there as well. The grounds here are absolutely stunning. Gorgeous, huh, Press?
Yeah, let's keep walking. Come on, Mommy.
Well, it doesn't end. It just keeps on going and going and going. All down here. That's where we were before. Okay. I'm gonna find Preston now.
If you want to watch more of my videos like this, click subscribe.
Back at the otters. After seeing the whole garden all the way up there. Absolutely beautiful, this place. So picturesque. The otters, Phil? An otter. Hi, otter.
Yay.
Hey, nice. This is so fun, huh?
3, 2, 1.
Good job, guys. Good brothers there. Love you too. Okay, enjoy. Okay, so this is our room. Let's see who's inside.
It's time for a room tour, guys.
Oh, hello. So wait, where are we? This is the entryway here. We've got a nice little mirror and little table there.
The door closed.
Okay, we'll close the door. Oh, by the way, this room has been cleaned and disinfected before we got here. That's nice to know.
Giant bathroom.
So, got our giant bathroom here. This is the walk-in.
Safe.
Yeah.
This is so many number keypad.
I like that it's nice and high. Can you even reach the number 1? Okay. Show me through. Take me through.
Over here. Shower to the corner toilet.
Let's take a closer look here. The nice thing here, this hotel has their own brand of amenities here.
And actually,
We've got a shower. Okay.
wow.
A nice hanging towel rack, the dryer, and then
Little towel.
yeah, you got your little towels here. Okay. All right, Press. What's around the corner here?
And giant towel.
All right. Hey, go on, put them back there, buddy. We're gonna use those. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Show me the rest. What's up here?
Here's the tub.
Oh, good. We've got a nice tub. And the tub looks out onto the room, huh? So we can see.
Hey guys, check this out.
All right.
That's how it works.
Great. It's working. All right. Come on. Show me the rest of the room.
Scale.
All right, pop off. I'm gonna keep going through the rest of the room, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah. Got our nice twin beds here. Yeah. Okay. We have some bananas there, Phil. Oh, good, like a little mozzie vapor plate thing. Okay. Got the mini bar here. This is the coffee machine, Press. The coffee machine.
Abracadabra.
Wait, I gotta get this.
This one.
We have our own entertainment here. Hey, what's the banana song? Sing it for me. Banana.
Banana.
Nice. This is special. This doesn't come with the hotel. This is special. We bring our own entertainment. This is salad, snake fruit. Okay, show me that again. Sorry, bud. I got distracted by the banana song. Coffee and tea. All our amenities here. That's nice.
And there's green tea with jasmine.
Yes, I'm gonna have one of those soon. Okay. All right. What else we got? We got our fridge. Okay.
What does it say?
We've got the kettle, coffee and tea. Look at this. This This is the hotel here. Oh wow, top 25 for service, top 25. You can already feel the service. Here's a picture of the hotel. Oh, looks spectacular. We are somewhere over there on that side. Yeah. This hotel's great because there's lots of different activities you can do, right?
You can do this and then you
There's
can
a rack there. Here's the rest of the room. Okay. And then, Preston.
Let's not take it out. There's something special with this fridge.
What is it?
Actually, you can take this out.
You can take the shelf out.
And then you can
Move it anywhere.
place it.
Okay. Once again, the entertainment has changed now. Salad or snake fruit. Okay. And here's the balcony. We've got a nice little lounge set to relax on. Big ceiling fan here at the top. And then
In the breakfast restaurant.
this is the breakfast restaurant, and look at the view. Now we can see the bottom of the pool there, and then some of the grounds here. It's a very big property. And this is breakfast here. We're having breakfast. Oh, that's right, yes, we can even see a crane in the distance. We're having breakfast here. Preston, do you want to walk us around breakfast and see what we have? Here on the balcony. Okay. It's very clean here, right? You have to stand behind the rope and get your food. Okay. That's right, yes. Okay. There's Preston's noodles being made. We'll just take it for a quick look around here in the restaurant. Here. And here's a selection of some of the different things that they have here. Alright, well we're going to enjoy our breakfast here, okay? Alright. What do you want to see? Phil's coming out to do our tour, okay. This is the fan, the ceiling fan, Phil. And
Okay,
breakfast.
can you do a transition on the view?
Okay, I'll do a transition on the view, alright? We've got the shades down here, so we can have breakfast out of the sun. Here's our view.
At the bottom.
Our room is actually just up there.
Look at the sign.
And look here, we're going to go explore. Alright, let's go. This hotel is very big. It's got a huge property. Let's see where this ramp leads. I'm going to do a transition, alright? Look, there's all this wildlife there. Phil is chasing a lizard into the bush. Phil! Look at this. So many different things to explore and to do. And there's Preston over there. I got to catch up. Here we are in the bamboo nest. Let's go. Phil thinks this is the cave when we're going on a go home. This is gorgeous, huh guys? Look around here. Wow, guys. This is the nest. How cool, guys. The grounds are just spectacular here, Padma Ubud. And this is a little nest. We can have a dinner here and stuff, right, Chris? Yeah. Spectacular.
Okay, transition. Guys, we are deep down in the forest.
So deep down in the forest here, it says here bamboo bridge, bamboo forest and river. And there's the river right down there. Shall we?
Okay.
Now, it's super slippery here. I'm going to put the camera away. And we'll see you back
Okay,
down
we
there.
can do a transition to make more safer. Guys,
Here we are. We just came down the steps. My mummy's coming, and look at where we are here. We're at the river. Yeah. There's Phil and Preston here at the river. Goes down this nice bend. And here's the actual little jungle track here to get to the bamboo bridge, but we're not going to go there today. It's gorgeous here. Really feel like explorers, huh guys? Yeah?
But if this was the forest somewhere else, there might be dinosaurs.
Oh, it does feel like there could be, huh? Alright, maybe a long, long time ago, there might have been ancient dinosaurs here. The water is beautiful and clear. Oh, it's very cold. Ooh, it's very, very cold. Do you want to feel the water? How does it feel?
Wow.
Ooh. How is it?
The water is cold.
It's very cold. Okay, you hold on to my hand, okay? Because there's lots of rocks. Here we are. I know, we just came from the river down there on the track, and here we are. Okay, walking, be careful, okay? Always be careful when you're walking.
I don't know how strong is this bamboo.
It's very strong.
Yeah. A long time ago, this was a home for dinosaurs, guys.
I think so.
And then now it's
Step,
just
come on.
now
Come back to me.
it's
Step.
only just home for just nature animals.
Yeah, it's just so cool. It's very strong, this bamboo. Just got to be a bit careful where we're walking, okay? So you hold on.
But how come this has a river?
Oh, there's even some seats here. Let's come up here and have a seat. Gorgeous, this place.
Let's sit down and look at the river.
Okay, let's do it. What's happening?
I am soaked from the rain.
Yeah, we're just walking through, and then got a nice little downpour in the forest.
And then Mom,
Yeah, we're soaked too, don't worry.
yeah, all of us
Okay, right, this is
all
what
of us are soaked.
this is what makes everything so green, buddy. All of this beautiful rain.
Yeah, all of this beautiful rain.
Just gone from our jungle walk here. We're going to check out the swimming pool here. And the nice thing is everything is undercover because it rains a lot here in the woods, as we found out. Okay, the spar's inside there. Mummy will check that out later. And then we are off to the pool. Oh, very cool. Oh, this is the pool bar over here. We have some snacks. Hello. Yeah. We're going to the pool. Oh my goodness, wonderful. Check it out, Press. Here's the pool bar. You can have some food over here. Nice. Let's find a chair. Is there? Well, we're going to find it, aren't we? Nice. Perfect chair? Okay, find me the perfect chair. Alright. Well, they even have a fire pit here. That's cool. Oh, wow. Super nice, huh? This pool, bud. How's the water?
It's warm.
It's super warm, isn't it?
Guys, just watch me jump.
Okay.
Do not throw it.
The pool here is a lot warmer than you'd expect being up here with all the rain.
Just watch me.
Okay, Preston's gonna come in and have a jump. I'm watching. You can see the hotel there back in the distance. Go on.
Watch me.
3, 2, 1. There they go. Press, come over here. I'm gonna show everyone the view from the edge of the pool. I don't know if you can see. There's the swim up bar. And look, follow me right to the edge. Beautiful. This infinity pool over the garden. Getting ready your fresh fruits there. You can have your smoothies.
Guys,
Yeah,
we are sitting up there in the restaurant.
that's right, we were up there. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Let's check out the rest of the pool, okay?
Guys.
We just found the gym up there.
Hey, Daddy.
The gym up there through those windows. And over there in the back is a waterfall. We're going to do some investigating. This is actually a very, very big pool. Alright, come on my little baby sharks. There you go. And let's make our way to the... We found it. Here's the other pool here. Here's the other pool that leads onto the waterfall. It's another little infinity pool for the kiddos. And you can see it's so shallow. Just taking off their floaties and relaxing. You got the drain there, buddy. Alright, enjoy, buddy. Have fun. Daddy's gonna have a swim too. splash transit here. I'm going to give you a tour of the kids club here. It's actually closed at the minute. There's all these different activities you can do once you book in. They've got a bunch of other activities too, but that's just for you to look inside and see. Guys, I found some more stairs just above that waterfall pool. I wonder where it's going to take me. What's this? What did you find, buddy? Another pool?
I found this.
This is the lower pool here. There's a cave and there's some seats under there. And that was the top of the infinity pool from before. You can even have a little private sun lounging there. What an amazing, amazing hotel. And that's where we were before. And you just heard the word from Mummy. She's a convert to the Padma hotel chain. And I think our boys are too, huh? Boys, what are you doing? You splashing?
Don't drop your phone.
I won't, okay? And you guys be careful too, don't lean over too far. Alright, transition of the stuff.
It's with a hot jacuzzi.
This jacuzzi is so nice, we've got all the individual seats. And then, Preston, there's a few buttons around here. I wonder what this does. Let's press that. Oh, now we're talking.
That's the one of them.
Okay?
Gas is big.
I know, we're having a great time here. Padma Ubud. The pool itself is 30 degrees, and this jacuzzi here is just amazing. Alright, enjoy. This is the spa at the Padma Ubud. Here's the entrance, and look at this. We've got Preston here. Hi buddy, show me around. Oh, wow. Look at this. All the different treatment rooms. Yeah, it's very relaxing, isn't it? I don't know if we can. It's empty. I think it's just a massage bed or something in there. Okay. Here's the lounge. Let's quickly look into the lounge here. There's a steam room. Here's the lounge. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful spa. How relaxing. Come on, let's go back. Quiet, quiet. Really relaxing. This is a really beautiful spa. Oh, come on. You can definitely come here to have a relax after a big long day of trekking through the jungle. There's one of the massage rooms.
If you want to watch more of my videos like this, click subscribe.